Divorce doesn't have to be a battlefield. Imagine finalizing your divorce without the stress of court battles. Today we'll reveal how you can achieve a stress-free divorce, saving time and emotional energy. Agreeing on property, custody, and support can simplify the divorce process. Avoid court battles by finalizing your divorce through paperwork alone. One couple saved time and money by opting for an uncontested divorce. Filing the right forms is crucial to avoid delays. Properly serving your spouse starts the 6-month waiting period. We once corrected a client's rejected forms, keeping their divorce on track. Exchange financial disclosures to meet court requirements. Draft a marital settlement agreement for quick approval. We helped a couple finalize their divorce after multiple rejections. By following these steps, you can achieve a stress-free divorce. Remember, an amicable approach saves time, money, and stress. Let us handle the paperwork so you can focus on moving forward. Contact divorce661.com for a free consultation. Let us guide you through a stress-free divorce process. Start your journey towards a new beginning with confidence. Our flat fee pricing means no expensive attorney fees. We handle all paperwork and court filings, ensuring everything is done correctly. Experience a 100% remote service managing your divorce from home? Take control of your future today. Reach out to divorce661.com and let us make your divorce process seamless and stress-free. Your new beginning awaits.